Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to fix the issue when your Pokemon Go character is not moving. Let's get started. Pokemon Go relies on GPS to track your movement, so make sure location services are enabled on your phone. Go to Settings, tap Location and set it to high accuracy. This will improve GPS accuracy and help the game track your movements more reliably. Sometimes toggling airplane mode on and off can reset your connection. Swipe down from the top of your screen, enable airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This quick reset can fix minor GPS issues that might be causing your character to stay still. Close Pokemon Go completely and reopen it. To ensure it's fully closed, check your recent apps and swipe Pokemon Go away. Reopening the app after a fresh start can resolve minor glitches with character movement. Open Google Maps or any other mapping app and calibrate your phone's compass by moving your device in a figure-8 motion. This can improve GPS accuracy, making it easier for Pokemon Go to register your location accurately. Ensure Pokemon Go is up to date. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store and check if there are any updates available. Updates often include fixes for common issues like GPS or character movement problems. If Pokemon Go servers are down, you might experience issues with character movement. Check the Pokemon Go Twitter page or Down Detector to see if there are server issues. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until they are back up. If none of these previous steps have worked, try restarting your phone. This can resolve any lingering GPS or system issues that might be affecting the game. If you have battery saver mode enabled, it can interfere with GPS accuracy. Turn it off temporarily and check if that resolves the movement issue. Some phones may reduce GPS accuracy in battery saver mode. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Pokemon Go's character's movement issue. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.